In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can make an image black and white in Canva. So let's get started. So first you need to open up Canva, you need to go onto a new project, then go ahead and go into uploads. From here you can drag on your image you want to make black and white. So I'm going to drag on this image of a beach. Now from here there are a couple of ways. So if you go ahead and click on the image and then go to edit, you've basically got two options. You can either go to filters, click see all, and inside of filters, if you scroll down, you'll see the mono filters. Now some of these aren't really going to look good, but you can flick through these and choose whichever one looks good for your image. Now obviously these all add slightly different effects, so that's one way you can do it. The other way is if you click on your image, you go to edit, you can then go ahead and find adjustments. So click here where it says adjust. Then you can go ahead and scroll down and you can go to the saturation, and if you bring that all the way down, it's going to remove basically all of the colors and make it black and white. So those are two ways that you can do it. Use one that works for you. Thank you for watching.